I just got my other package from WWEShop in the mail a couple hours ago. And so this is part 2 to my WWE Christmas winter type unboxing. Yesterday I got the ornaments, and that video is up already. And this one's going up today. So let's open this and get to the unboxing. I have safety scissors trying to open this, and that might have been a bad idea, but I didn't want to get huge ones, so these will have to do. Okay. Oops. This is my Alexa Bliss Christmas hat, and I will be taking pictures in this on like Christmas Eve or the day before Christmas Eve or something. I will be taking pictures in this because I have like a full Alexa Bliss outfit type thing that I'm going to be doing. But this is so cute. I just had to get it because I felt like I pretty much wanted to get everything Alexa Bliss for Christmas. But yeah. So, and these are the Alexa Bliss boots. And I was excited about these because I already have Nikki's boots. And so I really wanted to get another pair this winter. But look at them. I just love that. And I love that they fold down and then there's a picture when they fold down. I just love that. So this is all that I have gotten in the second package. These two things, the boots and the hat. And I have the ornaments. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing a picture with these boots, the hat, my Alexa Bliss shirt and gloves that I already have. I will be doing a picture in front of the Christmas tree in this stuff. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you enjoyed this second unboxing video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My social medias are on the screen, on the bottom of the screen, and they are also that way in my other unboxing video. So follow me on social media if you have not already, my Instagram and my Twitter. They're right down there. So yeah, leave a nice comment if you want to, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.